Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP Envy Inspire 7220E printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, doesn't really matter which one, and into Google search, you want to type in HP Envy Inspire 7220E drivers, and you want to search for that. Best results should come back with HP Envy Inspire 7220E all-in-one printer software and drivers. Open that up. And now on this page, you want to scroll down and you want to select the installation software and full/basic driver support. Select download on that. And then once it's downloaded to your computer, you want to go ahead and open up that file and just let it extract. And it should be a verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes, and then proceed with the installation wizard here and just let that get set up, and you should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.